Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Naukri Law. I'm your host Devashish Kumar, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the dates of your exam. This dates will include all the technical tracks date and all the process, BIZZ skills, articulation, DCA and all the other tracks. Okay, so this is very important video for you if you are going to give the TSLP exam. Very important, very important. So don't miss any part of this video, and don't miss this video, don't skip this video, and watch this video till the end, and also share this video to your WhatsApp group, because everybody wants to know about this. You have to share them. Okay, you have to make them aware that there is a channel Naukri Law which is fully dedicated to all the IT companies, especially TCS. You can also check out our playlist and the other videos, and you know that we are very much focused on the INFOSYS TCS videos, so we keep always updating you to the latest news related to TCS. So please subscribe to this channel and share this video to your WhatsApp group of the TCS so that they can also subscribe. Okay, so let's start this video. So today morning a lot of candidates got a mail about the timetable, that when they will have their exams for the TSLP, and I hope you also have got that mail. And if you have not got that mail, don't worry, I have a lot of candidates in the TCS who keep me reminding, and they keep updating me about that what is going on in the TCS. So I will keep uploading videos on TCS, so don't worry about all this thing. We have the routine that when the tech tracks and all the TSLP exams will take place. Okay, so first of all, if a tech track exam is going to be happen, first of all, maybe you have passed the tech track and then you have got this mail that you are eligible. If you have got that mail that you are eligible for the DCA exam or the TSLP or the Wings 1 exam, then first of all, congratulations. I wish you all the best for this exam, and I hope you passed and you will get the promotion to the digital or the above field. Okay, so first of all, tech track 1, if you have selected the tech track 1, then this is the first exam which is going to be happen, that is the 1st May 2022. Tech track 3, then 1st of May 2022, and then the tech track 2. Okay, tech track 2 is coming on 2nd of the June 2022, and then the tech track 4 is coming on the 3rd of June. Then tech track 5 is coming on the 6th of June. Okay, now the tech track 7 is on 7th of June 2022. And now the BIZZ skill track 1, if you have selected the BIZZ skill part 1, then you have the exam on the 8th of June 2022. And if you have selected the BIZZ skill 2, then you have the exams on the 9th of June 2022. Yes, the BIZZ skill exam will take place another day, and the DCA or the other tech track will take place another day. And if you have choose the process, then your exam is on 10th of June 2022. And if you have selected for the articulation, then your exam is on 13th of June 2022. Now if you have choose the DCA Java, I know that a lot of students have choose for the DCA exam, and I also request you all, if you have choose what you have choose, just write down on the comments below. I want to know that what most of this candidate have chosen. Okay, so if you have choose the tech track 1, 2, process, articulation, business skill, DCA, Java, Python, anything else, just write your choice on the comment below. Okay, so now the DCA Java will take place on 14th of June 2022, and the DCA Python will take place on 15th of June 2022. And now the DC of all the other tracks except Java and Python will take place on 17th of June 2022. So all the other tracks except Java, Python, if you have choose PLSQL or anything else, then it will take place on the 17th of June, sorry, 17th of June 2022. Okay, so I hope you got your timesheet, and if you have any query, then write it in the comments, and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel, because I will tell you about the syllabus and how to prepare for the DCA track or the other all tracks. Okay, I will also give some of the important questions related to the business skills and process. Let's see how much I can do that. If you want those type of videos, just write in the comment below. If a lot of candidates will vote for a single video, suppose a lot of candidates asked for the Python syllabus or the Java syllabus or the business skills syllabus and important questions on all those things, then I will make a separate video for that. So it will simply depend on you, that if the demand is a lot, then I will simply create a video on that. Okay, so these are the dates. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and let's see what happens. And again, all the best to you all. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.